Now this is a 6-pin Mortise cylinder that I got from Norseman Lockpicker back in February of 15, and this one has been bugging me for quite a while. I have not been able to open it until Thursday last week. I popped it open and it was quite a surprise when I figured it out finally. And this is the key for it. It's really difficult bitting on this one, especially that number 5, hiding behind that number 4, and not even my Sparrow's what is that? Deep hook could reach up to the number 5, but the GoSo kit I got, we have a deep hook that finally can get that to number 5. The lock works fantastic, and let's do it. Let's try. I'll start off with a triple peak to get a false set. There we go. You can also get that number 1. Come on. No. And from here we go to number 6, and we start off by bouncing on the number 6 very gently, lightening up the tension. There we go. Number 6 is set, and do the same thing with number 5. There we go. Number 4 is set, 3 is set from the raking, and we have that number 1 that is still set. So that means we only have the number 2 left. So let's see, very gentle bouncing on the number 2. Lightening up the tension just a bit. And there we go. It's really easy to drop the number 6 and number 5, but I figured out, if we look at the back, we can faintly see maybe a T and a J, so perhaps this one is originally sent from Texas Gym. I'm not sure. Norseman is not sure either. If you recognize the key, please let me know. But let's zoom out. Now we're going to get this one. First time on camera. This one out of the way. Okay. We need a screwdriver. I don't know what's inside of this one, but I suspect we have something that will resemble spools. I did not feel any threading. So let's see what we get. Oops, that's right, they come from the bottom. And we have a spool. We have another spool. A standard. Another standard. A spool. And the last one is a spool. Standard. 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 I believe these are all standards. That's the really deep one, number 5. Yes. They are all standards, nothing unusual about the core. Just regular core, and nothing funny about that. Lock body either. This is what we have in the no-name Mortise from Norseman. 4 spools and 2 standards on the top and all standards on the bottom, with that really deep number 5 that really screwed me. So that's it. A lock from Norseman Lockpicker. Thank you very much for the lock. This has been a real challenge for me to pick open, but I finally got it. I figured it out, the sequencing. Once again, that's the key for it. If you recognize the key, please let me know if you made it. Okay, thank you for watching and see you soon.